The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, and we are off early this morning. It is not even 7 o'clock a.m. But we are supposed to have some horrible rain today. When I say horrible, I mean all day. So we are out early to fly. Just gain a little bit of altitude. Obviously, it's going to be an overcast today, but I actually find that kind of cool. This just may be my first YouTube video, so if this is posted, obviously this was my first one. This is Mary Jane Thurston Park in Grand Rapids, Ohio. I believe it is not even 7 o'clock a.m. yet. The marina over here. And we got some ducks in the water over there. Get back in orientation with the drone. Get a cool shot of the marina here. Thinking about my SD card right now, and I probably should have deleted some stuff, but again, this is just a fun flight. I have flown here a couple times now, so we had a little bit of chop right there, but be okay. 85% battery. Start trekking along. Bring it up a bit. Normally when I come out here, the sun is so doggone bright. So I was kind of excited to get out here now. And normally, obviously, it's boats out. You guys see boats, but I'm actually going to pop it in P mode. Bring the camera up just a little bit. Oh, there's our first boat. Just trying to get good with the gimbal in P mode as well as Cine Smooth. So much easier with Cine Smooth, obviously, but I want to become good at all the speeds, actually. Sorry about that, guys. A little bit of aircraft signal interference on that one. I'll bring it back up. And my orientation should be back to, there we go. 77% battery coming up on a mile. Bring it back that way, straighten this back up. Just 148 feet in the air. I'm pretty sure that boat probably carries a little bit over a mile now. Weird signal. I did just adjust the antenna. I'll bring it up a little bit too. Maybe get to at least 200. 75% battery. Alright, we brought it to about 200 feet. Still from a little bit of interference. Maybe 300 will be our sweet number. I'm gonna leave it about 280 maybe. So just a fun, good morning flight. 72% battery. We are in P mode. We are coming up on 7,000 miles. With this amount of battery, maybe this will be our range test. I do have Sunny Life range extenders. We're gonna shoot for 2 mile mark here. 71% battery. I don't see why not. We'll even bring it up a little bit more. We have had an excellent flight this morning so far. It's supposed to rain all day today, so as many of you know, we try to get out here as much as possible, and weather plays such a dramatic role in flying your drone. 300 feet, we'll stay there. Bring it back this way too. We already hit 8,000 feet. Said we'll go for 10, 68% battery. If everything works out here, I'm believing we should be spinning this baby back around about in the 50s, I would say. We had a little bit of signal interference in the beginning, but this is absolutely as far as I have made it ever. I mean, we might be turning, I like to turn around about 60. And I normally fly in Cine Smooth. I've made it to 8,000 feet yesterday, which was a record. This right here is smashing anything I have done thus far, for sure. I can't believe it. And we will turn it around at 60. We have made it 1,000 feet. Going at 17.7 miles per hour. We are in position mode. I said we'll spin it around at, wow, 60%. well over 2 miles. You saw the signal interference earlier. It was probably my orientation, to be completely honest. Wow, 62% battery. And the way
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
We'll cancel that, and I'll turn it around. I mean, it's 60%. Oh, we had our first weak signal. So we'll turn it around at 60. Boom. All right. And the views back will be great too. See, I'm practicing the gimbal. Slow. And as you all know, I'm not trying to flick my stick. Look at that. That's awesome. All right, and we are headed back. $11,000 feet. Wow. Weak signal adjust. There we are. And now that I'm looking, I don't even think I have these range extenders snapped in all the way, as you can probably hear in the mic. That's what gave us a little bit of issues to begin with as well. Go ahead and charge this up, because again, it does not look like we'll be able to get out anymore today. We'll kind of go, sorry guys, over here by the boats. Excellent flight. It's just a fun one this morning. Nobody out here. It's peaceful. Just smashed a record. Just now 50% battery, coming back about 8,000 feet left to go. I will put it on return to home here shortly. Just happy with this flight this morning. Sometimes you gotta wake up early just to get out here, man. It is always worth it. Always. Again, I'll probably just pan down on these boats and then pop it into return to home here. Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Not bad at all. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's a pretty cool shot right there.